Good morning, students. We are learning the lesson Princess September, and till now we have learned that the bird that was trying to come out of the cage, but the princess did not want to let him go, though he shouted a lot to let him go out. Because her sisters also advised her to keep the bird into the cage for the safety of it so that it could not go away. So come to page number 41. Don't be such an old silly, said September. I have put you in the cage because I am so fond of you. I know what is good for you much better than you do yourself. Sing me a little song and I'll give you a piece of sugar. Now, see, September asked him, the bird, not to be such an old silly. मैंने तुम्हें केज में इसलिए रखा that I am fond of you. Because I am fond of you, I have put you into a cage. And I know what is good for you. Better than you yourself do. मैं जानती हूँ कि तुम्हारे लिए क्या अच्छा है. तुम खुद नहीं जानते, मैं जानती हूँ तुम्हारे लिए क्या अच्छा है. And she asked him to sing a little song for her, and she promised that she would give him a piece of sugar. But the little bird stood in the corner of his cage looking out at the blue sky and never sang a note. What's the good for sulking? Said September. Why don't you sing and forget your troubles? But the bird didn't sing. And he stood in the corner of his cage and he looked out of the place towards the blue sky and did not sing anything. Okay? Did not sing a note. एक गाना नहीं गाया उसने. What's good of sulking? प्रिंसेस ने कहा कि इतना ऑब्स्टिनेट होने का क्या जरूरत आ रही है. वाई आर यू सो ऑब्स्टिनेट? तुम कर क्यों नहीं रहे हो, गा क्यों नहीं रहे हो? वाई डोंट यू सिंग एंड फॉरगेट योर ट्रबल्स? व्हेन यू सिंग यू विल फॉरगेट योर ट्रबल्स. दिस इज आस्क्ड बाय द प्रिंसेस. हाउ कैन आई सिंग? आंसर्ड द बर्ड. I want to see the trees and the lake and the green rice growing in the fields. क्या बोल रहा हूँ कि मैं कैसे गा सकता हूँ? How can I sing? I want to see the trees. I want to go out. I want to see the trees. I want to see the lake and the willow trees. Willow is a kind of tree which is found in the hills. So he said that I want to see those willow trees that look quite different when you see them through the bars of cage. जब आप इन्हें केज की बार्स के अंदर से, मतलब जब आप चीज़ों को केज में देखते हैं, then they look quite different. Means if you see the beauty of the world through the bars of cage, अगर आप कैद में रहकर ब्यूटी को देखना चाहते हैं तो नहीं देख पाएंगे. The bird wouldn't sing a song and he wouldn't eat a thing. The princess was a little anxious at this and asked her sisters what they thought about it. Now the bird didn't sing anything. कुछ नहीं गाया उसने और even कुछ खाया भी नहीं. Even he wouldn't eat a thing. The princess became a little anxious at this and she went to her sisters about their thinking. What did they think? She reached to her sisters and seek their advice. So they advised her. They said, "You must be firm." Firm मतलब अपनी बात पर अड़े रहे. You must be firm. अब तुम जो कर रही हो सही हो. Means if you have put the bird into the cage, it is right. Then princess replied, but if he won't eat, he will die. उसने प्रिंसेस ने कहा अगर ये खाएगा नहीं तो मर जाएगा. That would be very ungrateful of him, they said. He must know that you are only thinking of his own good, and if he is obstinate and dies, it will serve him right and you will be well rid of him. अब क्या एडवाइस दे दी सिस्टर्स ने? That it is ungrateful of him. किसी के जैसे हम किसी के आभारी होते हैं, यहाँ वो कृतज्ञ है. एक तो कृतज्ञ मतलब आभारी होना, और अनग्रेटफुल होना मतलब कृतज्ञ होना, कि हम किसी का एहसान न माने. तो उसकी सिस्टर्स बोल रही है कि ये तो बर्ड बिल्कुल तुम्हारा कृतज्ञ हो रहा है, तुम्हारी ही इज बिकमिंग अनग्रेटफुल टू यू, एंड ही मस्ट नो दैट वट एवर यू आर डूइंग is for his benefit only. And if he is being obstinate का मतलब होता है अपनी बात पर अड़े रहना, जिसकी बात को दबाया नहीं जा सकता है. Not easily subdued मतलब किसी की बात को दबाना. अगर ये obstinate रहता है, it serves him right, कि अगर उसमें उसको डेथ भी हो जाती है, then it's okay. And you will be well rid of him, और तुम्हें भी इससे छुटकारा मिल जाएगा. September didn't see how that was going to do her very much good, but they were 8 to 1 and all elder than she, so she said nothing. Now Princess September could not find anything good in that idea. उसको कोई आइडिया अच्छा नहीं लगा कि अगर वो बर्ड मर जाएगा तो उसके लिए क्या अच्छा होगा. Okay, so but what did she think? She thought that her sisters were all older than her, and she said nothing. She did not reply anything. They were 8 to 1. सारी unanimous decision दे दिया उन्होंने, but she did not reply. उसने कोई जवाब नहीं दिया. Perhaps he will have got used to his cage by tomorrow, she said. Then she said, or she consoled herself by saying that कि इसको कल तक तो शायद इसकी पिंजरे की आदत पड़ जाएगी. And the next day, when she awoke, she cried out, "Good morning," in a cheerful voice. She got no answer. She jumped out of her bed and ran to the cage. She gave a startled cry, for there the little bird lay at the bottom on the side with his eyes closed. Now, the next day when she awoke, she jumped out of the bed and cried, "Good morning." But the bird did not reply. Bird ने जवाब नहीं दिया. Then she reached and rushed towards the cage, and she was startled to see in the cage, because at the bottom of the cage the bird was lying and his eyes were closed, and he looked as if he were dead, और ऐसा लग रहा था कि जैसे वो मर गया हो. She opened the door and putting her hand in, lifted him out. She gave a sob of relief, for she felt that his little heart was beating still. And then she opened the door of the cage, and she found a matter of relief that the bird did not die. Bird was still alive, because his little heart was still beating. Okay? Are you getting what is conveyed? Means that bird was put into the cage, and when she called him in the morning and he did not reply, she rushed towards the cage and saw that it was lying as if it were dead. She took it out in her hands and took a sigh of relief. राहत की सांस ली उसने कि बर्ड was still alive. His little heart was beating still. Wake up, little bird, she said. उसने आवाज़ लगाई, अरे जग जाओ. Well, she began to cry, and tears fell on her little bird. He opened his eyes and saw that the bars of the cage were no longer around him. Now the princess started crying, and tears started coming out of her eyes. Tears fell on the little bird. उसकी बॉडी पर आंसू गिरे प्रिंसेस के. He opened the eyes and saw that the bars of the cage were no longer around him. When he opened his eyes and found that he was no more in the cage, there were no bars of the cage around him. Okay? The bird said, I cannot sing unless I am free, and if I cannot sing, I will die. He said, bird ने कहा कि जब तक मैं फ्री नहीं रहूँगा मैं गा नहीं सकता. एंड इफ़ आई कैन नॉट सिंग आई डाई. अगर मैं गाऊँगा नहीं तो मर जाऊँगा. क्या वर्ड्स बोले बर्ड ने? इफ़ आई एम नॉट फ्री आई कैन नॉट सिंग. मैं जब तक फ्री नहीं होऊंगा गा नहीं सकता तो मर जाऊँगा. द प्रिंसेस गेव अ ग्रेट सो. नाउ द प्रिंसेस ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड क्राइंग. प्रिंसेस भी अब रोने लगी. सो आई होप यू हैव गॉट what has been taught to you till now. It is up to you to understand, write the word meanings, and if you have any trouble, if you have any query, you can feel yourself free to ask me anything, anytime, and especially from 5 to 6 in the evening.